Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make macaron filling easy method. Begin by creaming 1 cup unsalted butter until smooth and pale, scraping bowl sides as needed. Add 2 cups sifted confectioner's sugar gradually and beat on low speed to avoid clouds. Fold in 1 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch of salt, then increase speed to medium until light and fluffy for about 3 minutes. Chill briefly before piping. For easy variations, combine extracts, zests, or purees gently into the buttercream after it reaches fluffy stage. If adding puree, reduce sugar slightly to keep consistency stable and pipeable. For ganache-style filling, melt 6 ounces chocolate and mix with 1/3 cup cream, then cool before piping. Taste as you go to balance sweetness and acidity, and always refrigerate briefly to firm the filling when needed. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes baking more fun with playlists, timers, and hands-free help, and it fits right on a crowded counter. I find it perfect for setting timers and voice-activating recipes while my hands are messy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When things go off course, small fixes work well and fast. If the filling is too soft, chill 10 to 20 minutes, then re-whip until pipeable. For grainy texture, beat a bit longer and ensure sugar was sifted before adding. To tame excessive sweetness, add a pinch of salt or a few drops of lemon juice and mix until balanced. Keep notes so you repeat successes consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.